Previous class we discussed about the definition of atom. Atom generally depends upon elements because the smallest particle of the element is called atom. Atom may or may not have independent existence, but molecule have independent existence. Molecule have independent existence. Molecule is the smallest particle of element or compound. That is the main difference between atom and molecule. Atom related to element, molecule related to both element or compound. Molecule, atom may or may not have independent existence, but molecule always have independent existence. Then what will be the definition of molecule? What will be the definition of molecule? The smallest particle of an element or compound which have independent existence is called molecule. It must have independent existence. It may be element, smallest particle of element or compound. Now I will see some example: helium, neon, argon, krypton. Next is your H2, O2, N2, O3, P4, S4. These are the examples of molecules. On the other hand, also many other examples are, that is your HCl, NaCl, K, H2O, H2S. Next is your H2O2. Next is your PCl3, CH4. Just like many examples, PCl5. These are number of examples of molecules. If you think about the examples of molecule, then we find out two things. In this case, these are considered as the molecule, but it is made by no doubt of atoms. But the atoms are of same type of element. But in this case, what happens? It is also made by atoms of different type of element. For example, HCl. It is made by no doubt two atoms, but it is two type of atom. One is your hydrogen, another is your chlorine. Hydrogen atom belongs to hydrogen element, chlorine atom belongs to chlorine element. In this case, only one atom is present, one type of atom is present. In this case, two atom is present, and the two atoms are of the same types. From the following example, it is concluded that molecule is made by, we can write one point, molecule is made by atoms of same element or different element. Atoms of same element or different elements. That means we find out two things. One is your same element, another is your different element. We know that same means homo. Different means hetero. Same means homo, different means hetero. That means molecule can be classified into two types. One is your homoatomic molecule, another is your heteroatomic molecule. So we can write, third point is your molecule can be classified into two types. can be classified into two types, such as number one is your homoatomic molecule. Second is your what? Heteroatomic molecule. One is your homoatomic molecule, second is your what? Heteroatomic molecule. We know that helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Next is your O2, N2, F2, Cl2. Next is your O3, P4, S4, S8. It is the examples of, there are number of examples of atoms. We can consider as these atom as a we can consider these are the molecules of the same elements. No doubt these are the molecules which are made by atoms of same type of element. So we can consider about the definition of homoatomic molecule. What is homoatomic molecule? Homoatomic molecule. First is your homoatomic molecule. What will be the definition of homoatomic molecules? These are said to be, these are the examples of homoatomic molecule. These are made by of the same element. If the molecule made by atoms of same element, that is called homoatomic molecule. If the molecules are made by atoms of different element, that is called heteroatomic molecules. So what will be the definition of homoatomic molecule? The molecule which is made by atoms of same element are called homoatomic molecules. Again, homoatomic molecule can be classified into different types. For example, we can write again homoatomic molecule are classified into different types. Such as number one is your monoatomic molecule. Second is your diatomic molecule. Third is your triatomic molecule. Fourth is your tetraatomic molecule. Fifth is your octaatomic molecules. If the molecule is made by atoms of same element and the number of atom is your 1, here listen, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. It is made by made by atom of one element and the number of atom is also 1. So it is called monoatomic molecule. O2, N2, F2, Cl2. These are the example of diatomic molecule and also belongs to homoatomic molecule. Since it is made by atoms of same element, belongs to homoatomic. Since the number of atom is your 2, so it is your diatomic. Like that, triatomic molecule example is your O3, tetraatomic molecule example is your P4, S4, octaatomic molecule is your S8. Just like we think about other example. Next is your heteroatomic molecules. Second is your heteroatomic molecule. Heteroatomic molecules means the molecule which are made by atoms of different elements. Heteroatomic molecule. Heteroatomic molecules are the examples of heteroatomic molecule HF, HCl, HBr, CO. Next is your CO2, H2O, H2S. Next is your H2O2, PCl3. Next is your CH4, NH3. Next is your PCl5. Just like these are the example of heteroatomic molecule. Why these are said to be heteroatomic molecule? Because it is made by atoms of different elements. Let me explain. HF is a heteroatomic molecule. It is made by two type of atom. No doubt it is made by atoms of different type of elements. So it is called as a heteroatomic molecule. What will be the definition of heteroatomic molecule? The molecule which is made by atoms of different element, is called heteroatomic molecule. Heteroatomic molecule again divided into different type. Heteroatomic molecule again divided into different type. What are these examples? These are the examples of heteroatomic molecules. Heteroatomic molecule are again divided into different types. Such as number one is your diatomic molecule. We know that hetero means it starts from 2 or 3 or 4. It does not start from 1. So in heteroatomic molecule there is no chance of monoatomic molecules because we need hetero. Hetero means it starts from at least 2 or 3, just like. So here we start diatomic molecule and the examples are HF, HCl, HBr, CO. Other examples are also, so we can write etc. Next is your triatomic molecule. It is made by the number of atom is your 3. That is your here C1, O2 is your the number of oxygen atom is your 2. The total number of atom is your 3. So it is said to be heteroatomic. So it is a triatomic molecule. Since there are different type of atom, so it belongs to heteroatomic molecule. The example of triatomic molecules are CO2, H2O, H2S. Similarly, the example of tetraatomic molecule. Tetraatomic molecules are H2O2, PCl3. Other examples are also. Next is your pentaatomic molecule, CH4, NH3, etc. Next is your hexaatomic molecule. Other examples are also there PCl5, like other example is your next is your Xc F4 H2 SO3. It is an also example of hexaatomic molecule. We can think about also septatomy, octatomy, nonatomy, decatomy. If you think about the examples of molecules, then one question I will ask you: H2SO4. It is a which type of molecule? Whether it is a heteroatomic molecule or homoatomic molecule. H2SO4 is made by 3 types of atom. That is your one is your hydrogen, another is your sulfur, another is your oxygen. So it is a heteroatomic molecule because it is made by atoms of different elements. Different elements are hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. When in heteroatomic molecule, it belongs to which type of atom? It belongs to septatomic molecule. There are 4 oxygen atom, 1 sulfur atom, 2 hydrogen. That means total number of atom is 7. So it is said to be a septatomic molecule. That is all about your molecule.